we are back again, and it is indeed Artemis 2 Part 2, the sequel, Apollo the sequel, Hollywood at its best. Once again, here we are looking at NASA and the Artemis 2 program. We will in the future touch on Artemis 3 and 4. Look out for it, in particular number 4. So if you look at what NASA tell you, or what they say in terms of the colour of the Orion spacecraft, it would indeed be blue. Right, so it's blue then. It's not brown, it's not yellow, it's not pink, it's not gold. And when you look at this picture here, even though we looked at this before, but going by what NASA tell us, right, the spacecraft in this image would appear to be blue of colour. But when it comes to looking at the spacecraft, when it's on land and it's been recovered, or even when it's in the water, it does not appear to be blue in any way, shape or form. It's not blue, because the one in the water that we got on or after re-entry appeared to be gold and black. Here we have Orion on the vessel, so it's been recovered, right? And you can see that it's gold in colour. It's got a gold kind of material around it. Here in another image from NASA, it appears to be black in colour, not so much gold. And this particular photo got shared, and the person who shared it noticed there was damage at the bottom, which NASA said, well, no, it's okay, we expected that. But again, you can't see, it doesn't appear blue. It's not, you can't really see gold in that image. So the spacecraft is coated in this gold material. It's not blue, it's not red, it's not pink, it's not orange. And it would appear to be affected all around it. But I did notice, quite funny as well, I did notice, if you look at this picture here, rescue and instructions on how to rescue or how to open the door, not affected in any way, shape or form. Just completely intact, no damage whatsoever, but yet all around it, it's got it peeling away. It appears to be damaged in some way, shape or form, or it's been through some kind of ordeal. But not this bit, of course, because you can't have that. We need that bit. And quite interesting, in some videos you can't really see rescue in the writing. It appears to be almost blurred for, well, for a reason probably. But in this particular video you can see it.
Yes! Do it, say it! Yes! Let's go! Ike, welcome home! Christina, welcome home! Yes! Jeremy, absolutely welcome home, brother! There it is, Reed! What's up, welcome home, brother! Thank you!
So, there you go. And in this one, I don't know what it is, but is there some kind of electric tape there in the black tape? There appears to be some kind of strap on it and a wire hanging out. Right, okay. Sure, why not? Sure, why not?